What advice do you give to clients who ask about running graph queries? For example, do you suggest the use of specialized graph databases? Yeah, when you're going to store graph data, you're best off doing it really. And let's zoom way out. When I think about storing any kind of data, my first response is, how are you going to query it? Are you going to just pass in a key and get a value back? Great, in that case, we're talking about key value stores. Are you going to ask for relationships between several tables? In that case, you probably want it in a relational database. If you're going to do joins, for example. Graph queries typically want the relationships between a couple of objects like spaces or social networks, in which case you're not usually doing joins, you're asking about points or connections between people. And graph databases, there are options out there that are totally free, so whenever possible, I'd always suggest that someone use a free solution. In that case, I'd suggest to use that. When would I say to use SQL Server's built-in graph solutions? When you're shipping a third-party app, like you're shipping something that'll be installed on a client's servers, and you want to install as few database services as possible, and you need a little bit of graph stuff in along with a lot of relational things, then it can be nice to just have one instance of SQL Server for the customer to manage. They don't have to install a lot of complicated software, and they get a lot of bang for the buck there.